Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In NumPy, casting or converting data types is a common operation, especially when you want to optimize memory usage or ensure compatibility with algorithms that require specific data types. What is float32? Float32 is a 32-bit floating point data type. It is often used in machine learning and scientific computing because it uses less memory than the standard float64, 64-bit float, while still providing sufficient precision for many applications. Why cast to float32? 1. Memory efficiency. Using float32 instead of float64 can significantly reduce memory consumption, which is especially important when working with large data sets. 2. Performance. Some operations may be faster with float32 on certain hardware, like GPUs. 3. Compatibility. Certain libraries or frameworks, like TensorFlow or PyTorch, may require inputs to be in float32 format. How to cast to float32 in NumPy? You can cast a NumPy array to float32 using the datatype method or by using the numpy.float32 constructor. Example code. Here's a step-by-step example that demonstrates how to cast a NumPy array to float32. Step 1. Import NumPy. Make sure to import the NumPy library before using it. Step 2. Create an array. You can create a NumPy array of any data type. Step 3. Cast to float32. Now, you can cast the array to float32 using either of the two methods mentioned above. Complete example. Here's the complete example in one block. Output. When you run the code above, you should see an output similar to this. Conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to cast a NumPy array to the float32 data type using two different methods. This operation is essential for optimizing memory usage and ensuring compatibility with various libraries that require specific data types.